Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today the topic which we are going to discuss is heterotrophic nutrition. So in the previous video I have told you about the autotrophic nutrition, in which the organisms they are capable of synthesizing their own food. But the category which we are going to discuss today is different from autotrophic nutrition. Now, what is heterotrophic nutrition? You can see here beta, it is mode of nutrition in which an organism obtains ready-made food from an outside source. So, what is the meaning of this line? It means in heterotrophic mode of nutrition, the organism is not able to synthesize its own food. Okay? In this category, the organisms they are depending on other organism for the food. They are depending on other food sources, which is not prepared by them. Okay, it is prepared by someone else. So heterotrophic nutrition, it is a mode of nutrition in which an organism depends on other food sources for its bodybuilding as well as for obtaining energy. Now, heterotrophic nutrition basically it is of three types. One is the saprophytic, second is parasitic, and third one is holozoic. Now, saprophytic mode of nutrition. What is this? In saprophytic mode of nutrition, the organism it depends on the dead and decaying organic matter. Okay, it obtains its nutrition from dead and decaying organic matter. For example, fungus. Okay, fungus is the example. Yeast, which is unicellular fungus. Mushroom. So what they do? They obtain their nutrition from the dead and decaying organic matter. Bacteria are also saprophytic. Okay, bacteria you have seen they help in decomposition of the dead and decaying organic matter. So, saprophytic mode of nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which the organism depends on dead and decaying organic matter. Now, how it obtains its nutrient from that particular organic matter? It secretes some digestive enzymes over the body of the dead organism, and that enzyme it makes the particular part soluble, and when it is solubilized, the part which got solubilized is absorbed by the organism and it is assimilated. It is used for the purpose of doing various activities. Okay, it is used to obtain energy. So such type of organisms they are known as saprophytes. Okay, saprophytes are the organisms which depends on dead and decaying organic matter. Second is beta parasite, that is parasitic nutrition. So parasitic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism lives inside the body of host and obtain its nutrition. So such parasites they are known as endoparasites. Okay. So again these are of two types. One is endoparasite, which lives inside the body of the host and obtain its nutrition from that particular body of the host. And second is exoparasites. Okay, exoparasites, what are these? They live outside the body of the host, okay, and obtain its nutrition from there. So parasites are the organisms which obtain the nutrition from the body of the host. They may be endoparasite or exoparasite or ectoparasite. Okay, endoparasite means the parasites which live inside the body of the host and obtain its nutrition from there. And exoparasite or ectoparasites are the parasites which obtain the nutrition by living over the body of the host, by living outside the body of the host. Okay, so amarvale, the plant, it is best example of this. Leech, okay, leech is the example. Now beta holozoic. Now holozoic mode of nutrition. This process includes the ingestion of the solid particles of the food. So it is basically followed by human beings. Okay, we are following this mode of nutrition, that is Holozoic. Okay, in this the solid particles they are ingested, and the digestion of the food it taking place inside the body. Okay, so these three, saprophytic, parasitic and Holozoic, these are the three modes of heterotrophic nutrition. Again, in saprophytic mode, the organism is depending on the dead and decaying organic matter. In parasitic mode of nutrition, the organism is living inside or outside the body of the host and obtaining its nutrition. And in holozoic mode of nutrition, the organism it ingests the solid particles, and the digestion of that solid particles it takes place inside the body of the host. So this is heterotrophic nutrition.